Hello guys, welcome back to our channel.
Mr. and Mrs. Pandit.
So today we are going to give our reaction on Master birthday motion poster.
Yes, so just yesterday only it got released, and
Yes.
we are very much excited. Ever since we saw this, we are like, okay, we have to give the reaction on this,
Yeah, right.
motion poster. It is actually, the photo, the DP, which already we have given the reaction,
Right, that common DP.
So they have modified it and create it as a motion poster. So it is
Yes.
looking very promising and it's like superb. Okay, so let's get started with the reaction. And if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe and also please click on the notification bell. So chalo jhat se let's get started.
Okay.
Wow.
That master tune.
हाँ. Happy
Wow.
birthday. Wow, man.
Since it's written on sand.
हाँ.
Wow. See this graphics.
Very nice.
My goodness.
Wow.
It was superb. Alright. Wow. Really, that
Outstanding.
was outstanding.
Outstanding. Okay,
Yeah.
it's only for 40 seconds, but
Yes.
it should be for 40 minutes, right? We can definitely can watch.
Yes,
Okay,
I think
for a
this
longer
would
time.
this would have mashed up some more different type
More
of
different
angle
types,
of that stage where he was sitting.
So
That
actually,
throne, you can say.
actually, it is made out of the that common DP only. So they
Yes.
have not included much more inside that. Only the happy
Right.
birthday logo they have included.
Yes,
So the
I think
graphics
the
is
graphics were superb, and whatever the angle or you can say the animation, that
Animation.
rotating animation, it was coming. It was superb.
Superb. And Talapati Vijay was like walking, and he just sat there. It is like outstanding.
Yes.
Outstanding. So
Yes, it's.
how
I think
they
it's
have made
next
it like
level of that poster.
poster. It is the next level. The poster is
Yes.
like itself is superb, but it is beyond that because
Yes.
it is like it seems like the creation of the poster is happening in
Right.
front of our eyes,
Yes.
right? By the graphics and animation, they have made it so beautifully that it is looking like the made of the poster, making of the poster, we are
Yes,
saying.
right.
So it is superb, and I really like the gold theme. I don't know about you guys, but I really like anything in gold or golden touch in it. Like,
That's
it
not your
seems-
problem. It's all women problem. You
No,
can say.
it is like signifies the royalty, or you can say the standard, high
Yes, of
classy
course,
kind
right.
of touch is there. So I really like it, and this is the best, I think, motion poster of on anyone's birthday I have ever seen.
Yes, that's
so
true.
yes, definitely.
And also they have mastered that music from the
Music
master
from
movie.
Master movie, that is
So,
also superb.
so we are waiting for that too.
It is outstanding.
Yes.
Whoever have made this, who has done that?
I don't know. They have written Next Gen Studios, and it's
Next Gen
published
Studio.
by Instinct Designs.
Okay. So Next Gen Studio, I think you have done a brilliant job. If
Yeah,
you are
of
watching
course.
our videos, like salute to you, because that graphics, I know that is not very easy to
Yeah,
do.
of course, 3D
We know
animation
that
can
3D
if you
animation
do
is very
anything, it's
tough.
tough.
It is very difficult, and we have to do a lot of research, paperwork, and whatnot. We know
You
that.
have to spend a lot of time.
Spend-
for that.
spend a lot
and,
of
but
time.
I think they have made
Yeah.
in 3-4 days only. That
हाँ,
3-4 days
क्योंकि
ago only
जल्दी
that
आ गया. हाँ, हाँ, हाँ,
poster got
correct.
released.
So brilliant job, yaar, and
Yeah.
definitely you are also
Very much
looking forward na.
interested. Yeah.
He is also like every time he just keeps on telling me that I'm really into in this animation,
VFX,
graphics,
animation,
VFX and
yes.
all. So definitely that is a great job, and we are so proud. We
Yeah.
are very happy also that we have seen this video, right? And yes, I also hope that you'll also like today's content. Now this is the time to read the comments for today.
Yes.
So the first comment for today's video is from Farooq Basha, and he's commenting on Penguin full movie review. He's commenting, watched Penguin movie, usual story with different attempt of Kirti Suresh rhythm. Climax literally collapsed and failed to compare with Ratsasan movie the best. This
Yes, of course.
You are
on the same boat.
absolutely right. You're on the same boat where we are.
Yes.
So we thought actually we had a lot of expectation regarding Penguin movie. We are not saying that this movie is a complete fail, not like that.
Also, actually, it didn't meet our expectations.
Seriously,
also.
the ending is like collapsed.
Ending and a lot of the thing we were missing. So
Yes.
contact also, a lot of context was also missing. So I think you are also on the same boat as we
Yes,
are.
and the storyline is also very clumsy, I feel, because the audiences are seeing the story in a different thought. Okay,
Yes.
they have already think about something,
Just
and
because of a
just
trailer.
in the trailer, and just in a fraction of second the storyline is completely
Shifting to some
going to
different
another
direction.
different story. So
Yes.
audiences cannot grab that thing. So Kirti Suresh acting is superb,
Yes, no
that
doubt.
we are telling multiple times, but the storyline and the ending of the movie is not good.
That much good, yeah.
Raj Sassan has another level, so we
Yes.
cannot compare it actually
Yes, right.
at any cost. So thank you so much, Farooq, for watching and for commenting on our videos.
Yes. So the second comment for today is from Loga Natraj, and he's writing his comment on Money Heist featuring Vijay, Ajit, Vikram and Tara STR reaction, and he's writing his comment, nice reaction. We are waiting for the animation episode. So I think there is one
more
animation episode
yeah,
also.
that is
So
there.
yes.
Yeah, we'll be doing that.
Yes, so we'll be doing that as well.
Yes.
So in
it
coming
is there
few
in
days
our
you will
list.
able to see in our channel.
Correct. So it is there, and we'll be definitely doing.
Yes.
And yes, thank you so much, Logan Raj, for commenting and for watching our videos.
Yes.
So third comment for today's video is from Rajkumar A, and he is commenting, sister, I am Vijay fan, but Chian Vikram very super gut actor. I love all fight scene watching, please bro.
Yes.
Okay. So yes, Chian Vikram has another level.
Yes,
He
of course.
is.
He is handsome.
He is
His
handsome
acting
hunk.
skill is too much different, and each and every
He
movie
can carry
it
any
comes
kind of
with a
role.
different type of concept.
Yes. So that is very. He actually is a very good
Versatile actor, you
versatile
can say.
actor, and can do any kind of role in a
Yes.
very versatile way. So he's superb.
Yes,
We
that's true.
know that, and yes, he's also our favorite, and Vijay sir also our favorite. So
Yes.
they are our favorite at their own perspective,
Yes.
or you can say at their
They
own
have their
platform.
own, level, so-
They have their own levels. Vijay sir also is having some good and acting skills like good kya बहुत ज़्यादा like out of
Yes.
this world, and Vikram sir also has his own
Yes.
perspective of
They have
acting
proved
skills.
their skills by their
Correct.
acting.
So that is why both are our favorite, and yes, thank you so much for commenting and for watching our videos. And yes, fight scenes we have already done reactions a couple of times of
Yes.
Chian Vikram sir, right? And also we have done some trailer reactions also. So you are like mesmerized by
Yes.
seeing that scenes. So yes, definitely you are correct, and thank you so much. So these all are the 3 comments for today's video. Thank you to each and everyone who have commented, who are our subscribers, and who watch our videos on a daily basis. That means a lot to us. Keep supporting us, keep watching our videos, and if you like today's content, don't forget to subscribe, and also please click on the like button to like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in our next video. Till then, bye.